Remember when our own kababayan said this about Filipino cuisine?
Det liksom ikke noe matkunst i mine øyne, dessverre.
Fast forward to 2024, no nag-binge-watch si Rosel ng Culinary Class Wars, may Korean chef na gumamit ng kilawin as inspiration for his dish. One saw only the bad side, while a foreigner saw brilliance and elevated it. Naalala ko lang habang kumakain kami sa Kauri Tap Room. Kaka-open lang nito a few months ago at na-invite kami ni Rosel para ma-experience ang kanilang modern take on Filipino food. Dining here, I can imagine what the Korean chef saw in kilawin. We have so many rich and vibrant flavors to offer the world. It just needs some creativity and courage to take them to the next level. For example, itong sushi platter ng Kauri topped with adobong pusit, kare-kare, and bopis. Or the lainggeti, where instead of rice, pasta yung kapartner ng rich and creamy Bicolano staple. Kauri Tap Room distilled the very essence of Filipino cuisine and gave it a different expression on the plate. Familiar ang lasa but presented in such a way na mas madaling namnamin at i-appreciate. Much like how a painting stands out more when placed at the right part of the house. Kauri Tap Room is just along Wilson Street in San Juan sa taas ng East-West Bank. Open sila every day from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m.